Hello, I'm Storm Tracker 18 Weather Chief Meteorologist Matt Schaefer. We've had quite a warm January so far. Now, a lot of times in this La Nina weather pattern, we end up with a colder and snowier than average, but there's also a handful of times it happens less often than the colder, snowier version in a La Nina, but that we're warmer, and it appears like this is one of those La Ninas that kind of breaks from the roll. It's actually a decent number of them too, but I mean, looking at the calendar, it doesn't lie. A lot of red and pink signifying above average temperatures. The whites are near average, anywhere within 3 plus or minus. I color in white here. You'll see a handful of them, but just 2 in blue, and they're only the light blues. That's last Friday and Saturday, the only days that ended up as a whole below average by at least 4 degrees. So most of the days actually were quite a bit above average. That's 10 of them, accounting for 40% of the month so far. Another 9 days were between 4 and 9 above average. These two combined make 3/4 of the 25 days that have been completed so far this month. We didn't have any within a couple degrees above average or 0, and we had 4 days that were 1 to 3 degrees below average. Another 2, the only 2 that I had mentioned, that were at least 4 degrees below average, nothing significantly below. So even if you take these close to average temperatures that were just slightly below, add them to the 4 to 9 below, that's still just 6 days, and we had 10 of them that were significantly above average, including one that was over 20 degrees above average. We will see colder temperatures starting to move in. That's because the snow system passed well to our south and is pulling cold air into western Wisconsin. But some thin clouds tonight prevent temps from falling much further. They're definitely thinner to the north of Eau Claire, north of the interstate, and then extending to Highway 29. So areas to the north certainly have a chance to go below 0 tonight, but the clouds should hold us just barely above, though it will be close. Clouds tomorrow do decrease for the afternoon. It does show some more of them, especially east of Eau Claire, but definitely sunny to end the day. But these clouds to our west tomorrow night, they look to kind of disintegrate and leave us mostly clear until about 4 or 5 a.m. By that point, Eau Claire should have enough clearing to get below 0, though not by much. So it'll be one of the colder nights so far in January. Thursday afternoon, a mix of clouds and more clouds approaching from the west as a low pressure system approaches this weekend. But until then, low of 1 tonight as the clouds increase. That's still a little bit below average, but we shouldn't have a wind chill effect for much longer as those winds stay light. 16 degrees for the high tomorrow. That's below average, mostly cloudy, becoming sunny, and wind chill, again, not a huge factor. During the day, anywhere between 5 and about the air temperature, again 15, 16 for the high. North-northwest winds 3 to 8 miles per hour, so not much wind as high pressure settles in. That's why we have sunshine and clearing over the next night or so. -3 is the coldest temperature I have in my forecast. That would be the second coldest of the year so far. 19 for a high Thursday, so slowly getting warmer and continuing that trend into the weekend back well above average by Saturday and Sunday. The exact high temperatures, that has a lot to do with where the front that the low pressure system is going to ride on is going to be situated. Right now it looks like it's a little further south, and that would mean to mainly snow chances, but right now it's more Saturday night, Sunday with just more scattered activity Saturday. Still several days out, say Thursday, Friday, especially Friday, we'll have a much better handle on that system, but light to moderate snow is possible, and that's how we're going to end January, again above average, with a little cooler air starting to move in February.